pencil, and this is the shop. Forgot about that. These are where we keep all of the drills, and also the handheld saws. And then behind me is the wall of screwdrivers and wrenches and more saws.
And it's very messy right now,
Yes,
but it
and
will
hammers.
be cleaned.
It will be cleaned. And then over there are our X-Acto knives and more screwdrivers and pliers in the bin. And miscellaneous. Yeah. So this is a drill. We use DeWalt. To remove a drill bit, you twist this little part here until the drill bit comes out. And to put it back in, you do the same thing but twist it the other way. Place it partially in, and then keep twisting until you hear like little cracks. The arrow, if the button is in whatever direction the arrow is pointing, that's where your screw is gonna go. So right now it's gonna go into the wood, so you would just pull the trigger and it would put the screw into the wood. And then to take out screws, you press the other button, so the arrow is pointing up towards you, so the screw is gonna go out towards you, and you pull back as you pull the trigger to get the screws out. What's up? And then, sorry, I'm a little crippled right now. We got the circular saw. This is a Ryobi, so you use a Ryobi battery. This is the charging station for all the batteries. You can put it in. I'm not gonna do it, but you hold this button down, so oh, it's dead. The battery's dead. But a laser would come out, which shows your line for cutting, and then as you're pressing this button, you pull the trigger, and the safety comes up on its own, and it spins really fast, and it cuts the wood. This is used for straight cuts. And then we got the jigsaw. There's a battery already in it. All you do is pull the trigger for this one. And this is used if you need to turn to cut something, or if you need to curve, because you can't really curve the circular saw, but you can curve a jigsaw. Yeah, yes. And then over there, this is another one of our saws. It's used to cut mostly if you just want one long straight line. Right now the saw blade is in the table. In order to get that out, you go to this little crank and you crank it until it's up all the way. Depending on how thick your wood is how high the saw would go. So I'm just gonna leave it right there. And then to turn it on, make sure it's plugged in. It's not right now, but you flip this and it turns on. And then to turn it off, you flip it back, and then make sure you put the saw back into the table when you're done, so nobody gets hurt.
Yeah!
And if you plug something in like this and it doesn't work, it means the power to the shop is off, which is what this wonderful switch is for. So you just flip this and it turns it on, the power on and off to the shop. The lights will work no matter what, but the tools won't. There's a lot in here. We have all of our wood stock, bunch of wood, platforms, ones, a couple 4x4s, and then over there we have more wood. The 1x2s, 2x2s, 2x4s, 4x4s, and then up on top is our loft, which is where we hold all of the doors and all the stuff we barely use. And yeah. Okay, cabinet over there.
Paint cabinet.
Yeah, you have to go in the corner for that one.
Paint cabinet.
Paint cabinet that has all of our paints. It's wondrous. Wonderful, wonderful.
I have a question about the shop.
Oh yes. What is your question?
How do you get up on the loft?
Oh,
Let's
good question.
see.
We have this big ladder bolted to the wall.
It's kind of blocked right
That
now.
leads you up to the shop.
Thank you.
Or the loft, not the shop.
You're welcome, Ashley
You're
Padilla.
welcome, Ashley.
You're welcome, Ashley Padilla. You're welcome, Ashley Padilla.
You guys.
Hey, you're welcome, Ashley Padilla.
Question my way.
Okay, do a little outro.
Oh, okay. Thanks for visiting the shop.
Yeah.
It's my favorite place, and I hope it's yours too.